If you've lost access to your Shopify account and need to regain ownership, follow these steps to recover it efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Shopify login page. Before starting recovery, use the sro.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Shopify account. Make sure it's the correct one, as this is where the recovery instructions will be sent. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Shopify containing a password reset link. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Reset your password. Click on the link in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Ensure your new password is strong and secure. Step 5. Log in and update account information. Once you've reset your password, log into your account. Review your account settings and update any outdated information, such as your email address or security settings. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Shopify account quickly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Shopify support for further assistance.